This session shows you how to install NetBeans IDE 9.0. Okay, look for 9.0 binary.zip file. Select the first one. Once it's downloaded, it's a zip format. Drive program files, and it may appear as a NetBeans directory. It may take as much as 10 to 15 minutes to unzip it. Once it's done, just go to program files and look for NetBeans. On Windows 64, I will use NetBeans 64 bits. Let me just create the shortcuts on my desktop for convenience, and then name it as NetBeans IDE 9.0. Okay, once it's launched, you can check whether NetBeans installed with Java 1.8 or higher. Let me just quickly demonstrate with the Java application project. I'll keep the same name. Okay, let me type hello world. Now there is a hello world.